In this video, we'll explore 5 advanced Linux distributions that every expert should experience. Kali Linux for penetration testing, Talos Linux for Kubernetes platforms, Arch Linux for maximum customization, Qubes OS for security by isolation, and NixOS for declarative, reproducible system management. Number 1. Kali Linux, the pentesting powerhouse. Kali Linux is a Debian-based distribution specifically tailored for digital forensics and penetration testing, first released on March 13, 2013 by Offensive Security. It comes preloaded with over 600 industry-standard security tools, including Nmap, Metasploit, and Wireshark, organized into meta packages for easy installation. As a rolling release, Kali stays up to date via apt, ensuring you always have the latest exploits and frameworks at your fingertips. While beginners often start here, experts gain the most by integrating Kali's toolset into custom security workflows. Number 2. Talos Linux, container-centric minimalism. Talos Linux is an immutable, API-driven operating system built exclusively for Kubernetes workloads, with no SSH or shell access to the host. Its minimal design removes all unnecessary services, reducing the attack surface and performance overhead, and relies on mutual TLS for secure node management. Talos supports bare metal, cloud, and virtualization platforms, making it equally suitable for home labs and large production clusters. Number 3. Arch Linux Bleeding Edge Customization. Arch Linux is a rolling release distro that provides the most recent stable versions of all packages by regularly updating individual software components. Its minimalist philosophy leaves you in full control from install to desktop, requiring you to configure only what you need. For those who want the Arch experience without the manual installer, EndeavourOS offers a friendly Calamares-based setup with sane defaults and a supportive community. Number 4. Qubes OS Security by isolation. Qubes OS leverages Xen virtualization to isolate applications into secure cubes, each running its own OS template, dramatically reducing the blast radius of any compromise. This compartmentalization model allows you to assign different trust levels to work, personal, and untrusted tasks while keeping your core system locked down. Organizations like The Guardian have adopted Qubes OS for secure drop workstations, streamlining their secure communication setups on a single machine. Number 5. NixOS Declarative Package Management. NixOS is built around the Nix Package Manager and employs a declarative configuration model, where the entire system state is described in a single configuration.nix file for full reproducibility. Upgrades are atomic and transactional. If something goes wrong, you can instantly roll back to the previous system state with a single command. You define system services, packages, and configurations in Nix expressions, enabling multi-user package management and minimizing dependency conflicts. Now, finally, conclusion. Each of these distributions pushes Linux to its limits in different ways. From Kali's exhaustive security toolkit to Talos' ultra-secure Kubernetes foundation, Arch's hands-on customizability, Qubes' aggressive isolation, and NixOS's functional, reproducible design. As an expert, experimenting with these distros will deepen your understanding of Linux internals and expand your toolkit for tackling complex systems and security challenges. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, everybody, and don't forget I'll be posting videos daily without missing any day. So don't forget to like my content, share my content on all social media platforms so we can build a larger Linux community and conquer the world with love. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to my everyday content. Bye, have a wonderful day.